Looking at a FXSE Softail Breakout CVO. Has that beautiful wood grain paint and flake in the paint as well. Comes with the Screamin Eagle 110 engine and Screamin Eagle air intake. Forward mount controls. Vance and Hines big radius 2x2 exhaust. Passenger pillion with passenger pegs, take someone along for the ride. Massive 240mm rear tire. LED bullet turn signals. 110 badging. Has a flush gas cap side fill, so you get a fuller tank. And we're looking at 8,929 miles on the odometer. Speedometer is mounted on the handlebars, give a nice clean tank look. Dual disc brakes and inverted front forks. LED headlamp as well as front LED bullet turn signals. Let's go ahead and hear a cold start.